Hello, this video is going to show you how to transition from VEXcode VR to VEXcode IQ. You can obtain both of these programs from the VEXrobotics.com site, VEXcode Download. We are assuming that you're familiar with the VEXcode VR, so here's a simple program that we have written. It takes and has a right turn for 90 degrees, drives forward for 1,000 millimeters, and then drives in reverse for 200 millimeters. Now let's build the same project in VEXcode IQ. Go to your device and find the VEXiQ application and open it up. The first thing you may notice when you open VEXcode IQ is there's no pre-configured robot. That means you have to configure this program for the robot which you have assembled. You do that by coming over to the devices icon on the toolbar and select that. Then you're going to add a device. We're going to add the drivetrain 2 motor, and our left motor is in port 6 and my right motor is in port 1. I have no gyro, so I'm going to unclick that and then select done. This, you'll notice, will bring up a whole new set of blocks in our toolbox. So let's minimize our devices with this arrow. And we'll start with turning right 90 degrees, and then we're going to drive forward for 1,000, and then we're going to bring another drive forward back here and change this to reverse. This should look very similar to your VEXcode VR project now. What we're going to do is we're going to come up here and click on this and save our project. And I'm going to save that as block. Now we're ready to download our project to our robot. The next major difference between VEXcode VR and VEXcode IQ is the program needs to be downloaded directly to the robot. In order for this to happen, the robot needs to be turned on, and if you have an iPad device or an Android, this can be done by Bluetooth, or if you have another type of device, you'll need a direct wired connect between the USB port on the brain and the USB port on your device. After your robot is connected to your device, you click the download icon, and now the program has been downloaded to your robot brain. Now you will see the program on the brain of the IQ robot. Notice block is in the first slot of the programs. The next difference between VEXcode VR and VEXcode IQ is with VR, the robot is placed on the playing field for you. With an actual robot, you have to pay particular close attention to the way you line it up and where you start its run from. So let's see how this works. We're going to line up our robot and then select the check mark to run our program. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are many videos of robot competitions and instructions there. Until next time, remember, sometimes the real world can be better than the virtual world.